Untangling the pros and cons of putting bills in your business name. Navigating the business world demands shrewd decisions. One such decision is putting bills in your business name. It can offer myriad benefits, but it's not free of potential pitfalls. Registering bills under your business name helps create a distinct identity. It enhances your corporate image, establishes brand credibility, and may allow for easier management of business expenses. A notable advantage is the potential for tax deductions. Business-related bills often qualify for write-offs, which can considerably reduce your taxable income. This could result in significant savings over time. Putting bills under your business can also help build business credit. A strong business credit profile can make securing loans easier and at more favorable terms. It could be a stepping stone for future business growth. However, it's not all rosy. A potential downside is increased liability. If your business struggles, creditors may come knocking. This could put your business assets at risk. Another drawback is the burden of paperwork. Managing bills in your business name means more bookkeeping. More bookkeeping can mean more time, effort, and possibly cost. Lastly, business bills may impact your personal credit if not managed properly. If a business bill is unpaid or late, it could hurt your personal credit score if you are a sole proprietor or in a partnership. Weighing the pros and cons of putting bills in your business name is crucial. Strive for balance and make informed decisions to drive your business towards success and stability.